can't wait so we can break apart the
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Wayland Alpha Series 12R GTA 5 British Sirens pack. This pack is not made by me. I do not own it. I do not take any credit for it. I'm just showing you guys how to install it. So if you open the installation file, so you're going to need to open ID. You're going to need to open ID. Windows. So use an open file from exit for audio, or if you're using mods folder. If you're using a mods folder, then you go to mods, x64, audio, SFX, then you go to resident.rpf if you're using mods folder. Places of vehicle I see in the folder and navigate with. The one included in this download module is drag and drop it in there. So click on edit mode, yes. And drag and drop. Click on edit mode, and guys, I will see you guys in the game. Peace. Hey guys, it's me here. Welcome back again from the transition we just done. Anyway, spawn FBI. So now you guys will be able to hear the sirens. Police Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and peace.